Sarupothar MSC distributes ration to locals. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. As a mark to commemorate the completion of the Bharatiya Janata Party's government at the center, the local MSC of Sarupothar constituency had carried out ration distribution drive in the area. Here is a report. Local MSC of number 22 Sarupothar constituency, Jagat Singh Ingti, who is also EM in charge for higher education in the KAC, distributed rice on account of the celebration of the completion of 7 years of BJP's regime in the central government under the leadership of India Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The program was conducted at Samsing Tiso Sarihajan FP shop and Maising Timung Rongkimi FP shop without breaching any COVID protocol while maintaining social distancing and wearing masks. During the day, MSC stated that rice will be distributed to every household with a ration card holder and non-card holder as well. The program was attended by BJP Sarupothar Mandal President Lokhiram Rongpi, Secretary of District Mahila Morcha Kadom Terangpi, Secretary Sarupothar Mandal Bidya Terang, Honaram Singnar, Samson Timung and several others. Anand Terang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Sensing the need to motivate the public on a massive level to follow the different preventive measures to stop the spread of the disease or the virus, the BJP workers on Sunday carry out sanitization work in Balisang. Our Biswanath correspondent has sent us this report. With an aim to create more awareness among the public about preventive measures to avoid contacting COVID-19, facial masks, hand sanitizers and soaps were distributed to people in several places under Balisang and Selakhati Gaon Panchayat. Sanitization work was carried out by the volunteers. The voluntary work was carried out by the Biswanath LAC BJP workers on the occasion of 7 years completion of Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of India or the 7th anniversary of the Modi government in India. The program was led by Selakhati Gaon Panchayat President Dharam Singh Ronghang. Several BJP Karyakartas took part in the sanitization program. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.